Okay, let's jump right into this explainer on the hidden SEO goldmine of 2026, image metadata.
Right now, a staggering 26% of all Google queries are entirely image-based. Crazy, right?
Yet somehow, over 53% of top websites are just totally missing basic image alt text.
To search engines and AI tools, those unoptimized images, they're literally just invisible blank boxes.
So here's the fix. You absolutely need an SEO image injector to add readable labels.
We're talking about a hidden data layer, EXIF camera details, IPTC keywords, and custom XMP tags.
And the difference is huge. Stop using vague alt text. You gotta be highly specific.
Why? Because pages with descriptive alt text get cited 4 times more by AI assistants.
Plus, filling 4 key IPTC fields actually boosts your Google image rank by 2.4 times.
The absolute best clean solution to bridge this metadata gap is a tool called Exif Injector.
Top creators use it to cleanly process over 200,000 images every single month. And it effortlessly optimizes your image metadata across more than 140 different e-commerce platforms.
It's simply the cleanest, fastest path to unlocking those massive SEO ranking boosts.
So how does the actual workflow look? It's a super quick 5-minute process.
You just audit, rename files, generate alt text, inject the metadata, and safely compress. Done.
Pro tip, always fix file names first. DSC_0042 tells Google absolutely nothing at all.
Then let Exif Injector bulk add these 4 critical metadata fields perfectly into your files.
But warning, normal compression tools strip this data. Exif Injector keeps it completely intact.
So take a look at your site. Are blank boxes costing you crucial traffic right now? Don't ignore a quarter of search volume. If AI can't read your images, do they even exist?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.